higher elevation point.
Yeah, I'm just getting behind it.
Put the helicopter close to the tip though, to where we don't have to run that far if that thing's coming. He needs to be farther up a little tad bit more. Perfect. Alrighty. Yeah, we need to better run up this hill, dude. We don't want no Strata running up on us now, do we? He took the prisoner. He took the prisoner. Helicopter's taking the prisoner. Let's go. We don't care about that Strider. Follow that helicopter.
Yep.
Let's go. He's going to the southeast. Don't lose that thing. We're shooting that thing down. Alright, do we have eyes?
Yeah, direction.
I have eyes. You're too far.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to build that speed.
Oh, dude, if you could actually, oh my god, if you, oh, I think we are. They're not flying that fast. There's one on top.
There's one on the
there's
right.
One on the bench. All right, I see the prisoner, orange prisoner. All
Any
right.
shots? Did I just desync ram them with a chopper?
Land. Land. We're getting our boy Anemic back.
I just desync ran with a chopper.
We gotta find Anemic.